Okay, so our essential question we came up with is, how do we know when someone or something is from a different country? And then we decided maybe we should change that to culture. And then we wondered, are country and culture the same thing? And you guys had some interesting ideas on that. Some of you said, yeah, they're the same thing, or some of you said, no, not quite, but I can't really explain how they're different. All right? And then we wondered, how many cultures are there? And we've been thinking about this question here, is your culture normal? Okay, and kind of what is normal? How does that, what does that mean? We said that in our culture, in my culture, we celebrate different traditions, and we used holidays as an example. So there's many people in a culture that can celebrate different holidays. Okay? Now, a lot of cultures, we thought, there's a lot of cultures in the USA and many cultures in Maine. And so if we take a look at this, that there's a lot of cultures in the United States and many cultures in Maine, this might give us a clue to if country and culture are the same thing. Because what is the United States? What is the United States? Is that a country or a culture? Give me a thumbs up if you think it's a country, a thumbs down if you think it's a culture. Okay, if you gave me a thumbs up, okay, you would be right. The United States is a country. And if you're telling me that there's a lot of different cultures in the United States, then are country and culture the same thing? No, they're not the same thing. We might find many, many cultures inside a country. All right? So in our unit on community, we're going to be looking at some different cultures and some different countries. Okay? And remember, I talked about we're going to be looking for things that are the same as what you know, and maybe things that are a little different than what you know or what you've done before. All right? So, that's our essential question.